This is a house for sale in Katy, Texas. This house has 4 bedrooms, 2 stories, 3,300 square feet. For the price and the location, you can click on the link below or you can send me a message. The living room has high ceilings. The backyard is nice. This is a new construction in Katy, Texas. Something unique about this house is this. You have a sink in the wash and dry room. Master bedroom is on the first floor. That's a king size bed. So this is a big bedroom. The bathroom has 2 sinks, a tub inside the shower. You have the shower head from the ceiling. That's nice. The tile is nice. This is quartz. You have quartz countertops. And the closet is humongous. This is a big closet. For the price and location, and to get a list of all the new houses in Katy, Texas, you can click on the link below or send me a message. We're gonna go upstairs where you have 3 bedrooms, a movie theater room, and a family room. Also on the first floor, you have an office, and this will be the guest bathroom. Let's go upstairs. The wood in the stairs is nice. Upstairs you have a carpet. You have a small room that this can be used as an office. And then you have bedroom number 2 with a full bathroom. This is the family room right next to the stairs. Bedroom number 3. You have a Jack and Jill bathroom with 2 sinks. Bedroom number 4. And a movie theater room. For the price and location, and to get a list of all the new houses in Katy, Texas, click on the link below or send me a message.